Instructions are simple. Turn on, scan, wait 3 seconds. plaSCAN identifies plastic material and produces immediate results. That is different from the complicated sorting process we all have known. It is as simple as that. Excluding the unnecessary substances, plaSCAN is engineered to identify plastic materials commonly used worldwide. Having reduced the standard number of sensors needed to analyze the results, it is 4 times less expensive than other similar products already introduced to the market. Also, plaSCAN can be used by just about anyone regardless of age and gender, engineered to be small and light. Using a device that is affordable, light, and convenient provides accessibility to easy plastic material sorting and allows for recycling and education made possible in more areas than one. Furthermore, we can expect higher recycling rates in turn. Making a world where anyone can identify and sort out plastic material is the goal. Aiming to alleviate environmental pollution caused by plastic wastes, Repla's plaSCAN is more than just a scanning device, but a strong helping hand for the industry's brighter future.